There. They're gonna tore up. Yeah, these.
It don't matter. Okay. I can edit anything out, so.
Oh. I just feel like.
Oh no.
Got a couple nice coon here. Throw him up over there. Got another one here that's grounded.
Did you have 2 or 3 traps here?
I had 2, just 2. There was already a hole there, but it was just too deep. I don't know if a muskrat had burrowed in when I first set up this area or what.
How many, if you're just doing pocket sets, how many pocket sets in a day do you think you could put out?
Oh gosh, you know, if the conditions are right, the banks, it's not rocky. 75. You know, I mean, that's if everything's going good, you know what, and that's an annual stop, you know, of maybe 4 pockets, you know, 75 to 100. I mean, 100 sets, I guess. Some may be blind, but you know, it's just, it all depends on the bank, you know, and how easy it is to, you know, to dig. That's the biggest thing, is how easy it is to dig. You know, because a lot of times if you get closer to looking up by the culvert, you know, if I would try to go up there, I'd be running into rock. That's why I moved down further. So not setting by the culvert's not always your best option either. But even setting down away from the culvert doesn't hurt either. Catch a couple coon, and the way the prices are, I'll buy you guys a pop.
That's a big coon.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Nothing on that side? Nope.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up. Wiebe knives feature a replaceable blade design sporting a surgical grade scalpel edge for a long-lasting and consistent use. And every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.